namang papasukin ko kayo ng Friday, baka kasi nga sabi nyo, holiday. Holiday. Kaya ito na kayo pinapasok. After 3 functions tayo. So last time, no, we discussed about the paggamit ng see out and see in. So I hope may activity rin kayo dun, right? Nakapapasa kayo ng inyong codes for that. Okay. So let's have this. So functions and classes. Functions and classes. Okay, so here is the share. Turn my window for that. Okay. So ready, then I think I have to record this para may idea kayo. Okay, we cover off on a recorder. Okay. Napasok pa. Okay, so we still have 1 hour pa. Okay. Sino? Ay, saan?
Kumakain siya sa kanila. Hindi tinatawag dito, hindi mo ka narinig.
Ay, tumitingin pa ng makakain. Nakita ko siya rin. Ay, nagbili na kayo. Hayaan sa nakita mag-McDo. Okay lang. Ako na lang. Oh. Saan kayo banda? Doon sa may, may bintana.
Sa ulo ko malapit ka. Sa ulo ko na. Kapit din sa mga pinggan.
Hindi mo kayo nakita. Ano mo takot? Talaga? Kala ko may klase ka kasi.
Agos mo na tapos. Nakapag sila doon sa security. Nagpura-pura ko yun.
Hindi ko kayo narinig. Anong ginagawa ko at that time? Ay, yung may drum. Baka nga nawala ako sa focus. Siguro sa gutom, ma'am. Hindi ko na nag-ano kasi na nakakain. Wala eh. Ay, sorry. Hello? Ay, hello. Ay, sorry. May klase pala ako. Pasensya na. Ayan. Sige. Hello? Okay. Pasensya na ha. So, wait lang ha. Ayan. So, naka-record na tayo, no? I think nagre-record na tayo for this. Yeah. That's recording na. Okay. So, let's begin. Okay. So, naka-share na, no? Narinig niyo ako? Malinaw po ba? Hello? Malinaw po ba?
Yes po, ma'am.
Opo, ma'am.
Okay. Dito tayo sa chapter 3, no? Sa last time, plus na-discuss ko yung see out and see in. So, basically, pinagawa ko kayo ng activity no, yung more on conversion. So, I hope nakapag-submit lahat. May group ba yun? Or individual?
May group po.
Parang individual eh. Titignan ko na lang kung may group. Okay? So, here, we will discuss about functions and classes using the C++. Okay, so let's begin. So here, in terms of the example of function prototype, meaning these are the formats that we can use when it comes to declaring our functions. So we have the long func, okay, of course this is the function name, okay, and the function type, okay. Then, of course, the arguments, tawag dito sa loob ng kanyang parentheses, int and double. So, of course, this is the type of return value, okay. When it comes to the functions na gagawin itong function name natin, which is the long func. Okay, so here. Okay, so, yan. So the prototype above yields the following information to the compiler. So ito yung ano niya, parang lumalabas, these are the valid code for declaring our function. So we have the function type, the function name, and the arguments. Tinatawag. Okay, so func is the function name. Okay, this is ano yan, prototype yan. So mathematically standard functions that we can use, of course, is double sin, double, which is for the sine. Then we have for the cosine. We have for the tangent. We have for the arctangent, the hyperbolic cosine, the square root, the power, a exponential functions, natural logarithm, and base 10 logarithm. So gagamitin natin to siguro from the further when it comes to our activities. So we can create a function for this. Okay, get it? We need a function for sine, a function for cosine, a function for tangent. So this is the way of declaring. Yun. Declaring your functions. Provide the function for this different mathematical standards. Okay, next. So declarations, each name we identify occurring in a program must be known to the compiler or it will cause an error. So meaning it valid yung di-declare nating identifier para doon sa gagawin natin mga functions or gagamitin natin mga functions. The means, any names apart from keyword yon. Of course, ang ano lang naman din plus ng rules, huwag mong gamitin as identifier yung mga keyword na ginagamit na sa C++. Ganun lang kasimple. Huwag mong gamitin ang hindi pwedeng gamitin na ginagamit na sa C++. Okay? So each time a variable or a function is defined, it is also declared. Okay? But conversely, not every declaration needs to be a definition. Meaning, no need to define it, but in other technique or in other way. Okay? So sige, ano muna tayo? Here, declaring function. So one technique that we can use when it comes to defining our variable is to declare as a function. So a function as a name and a type, much like a variable. So yung kanina, di ba yung format na nakikita ko sa inyo? When it comes to functions, wait lang. Okay. Sobra. Okay? Ayan. Nakasobra. Ayun. Sobra yung aking, yan, okay? Di kanina, ito, yan. Yan. So, most of the time, pansinin nyo, it is more on data type, yung kanyang format, yung functions. Okay? So, karamihan, it is more on the argument, it's more on data type, and of course, the defining of our functions is may data type din siya. Okay? Yon. So here, okay, the function type is defined by its return value. That is the value the function passes back to the program. In addition, the type of arguments required by a function is important. So when a function is declared, the compiler must therefore be provided with an information. So the name and type of the function and the type of each argument. Okay, so here, para makikita niyo mabuti. For example, okay, meron tayong CMAT. Okay, ito yung library, no, which is provided na ng compiler what we need in terms of a process of a math. Okay, so kung meron tayong sharp include IO stream, input and output stream, yun yung pinaka-basic. Pwede rin tayong gumamit ng sharp include CMAT, which is kung ano yung needed pa natin na identify, okay, yung function niya as math. Okay, so here, ito yung directive tawag yan, directive. Okay, so here, we call this CMAT kasi gagamit tayo ng standard function na sine, cosine, and power. Okay, which is, puro math yan, tama ba? Under siya ng math. Okay, are available. So these are available sa directive na sharp include CMAT. Okay, kaya ilalagay natin siya as header or directive. Okay, so these are the example program for that. Okay, yan. Example program. Yan. So, calculated powers with the standard function power. Okay? So, gagamit tayo ng IO stream kasi mag-input and output tayo, right? Then, gagamit din tayo ng sharp include, CMAT, which is because of the power, calculating powers na given lang for the library of CMAT. Okay? Prototype of POW, that's double POW. Yan. So using namespace, alam niyo na yan, namespace, int name, then double x is equals to 2.5, then another is y. So meaning, yung y wala siyang value. Yan yung, dyan natin nalagay yung value. Okay? By means of the prototype, the compiler generates the correct call, an error message. So, here, okay, they compute x raised to the power of 3. Okay, so y is equals to pow, okay, then x, okay, comma, then 3.0. Error, string is not a number. Okay, pansin niya, there's an error kasi, okay, alam na ni CMAT, okay, na this kind of format is an error. Bakit? Kasi ginawang, string yung number. Pansin niya, yan. Then here naman, lumalabas naman dito, pow is x plus 3.0. The error just one argument. Okay? So basically, here, needed siya na another argument just to perform the power of d. Okay? Another, here, ito na. Pow is x, then 3.0. This is okay. In terms of declaring the power x raised to the power of 3. Okay? Then here naman, another okay is power x, then comma is 3. Okay? Which is the compiler converts the value into budget rate to double. Okay? So here, yan. So ano yung kinoconsider, ano yung objective nito? Okay? The objective is to provide yung validity ng format ng CMAT, di ba? It is more on the power of 3 na tama siya. Okay? So here, may bibigay kaagad niya na may error. Bakit? Because it is not considered as part of the sharp include math. CMAT functions are valid. Kaya na-determine na error silang pareho. Okay? So here, they provide the right validity of how you will compute, okay, the raised to the power raised to 3. Okay, so C out 2.5 raised to 3 yields. Okay, then calculating with power is possible if you have the ito yung formula niya, C out niya. So what is the output? Okay, the output is ganito lang naman siya. So 2.5 raised to the power 3 yields 15.625. Yan. Okay. Then 2 plus 5 raised to the power of 2.5 yields 57.917. Kasi it is declared as what? It is declared as double. Okay? When it comes to providing the answer for the raise to the power of 3. Okay? Sige, try natin. Another example para maintindihan niyo po mabuti. Okay? So, ayun yung yung natawag na function calls. Yeah. Declaring functions. So, how you will declare the functions. Okay? Ito pala, example. So, declaring functions like this, int to offer, then int. Ito pala. Okay, sorry. Ito pala, hindi ko nakita yata ito nag-sample kagad ako. Kaya error, okay, it is not the format, tama, of the raised to 3. Okay, to the power. Kasi ito yung tamang format when it comes to providing the function type. Ito yun. Double pow is comma, then double. Okay? So, another example here, double pow, then base comma, double exponent. So, pansinin niyo yung errors. Okay? Pansinin niyo yung errors. Diba yung errors, string to kasi may double quotes. Okay? Then, yung second error is may plus. Pero ang hinahanap lang niya is what? Comma, right? So, kaya tama itong nasa pinakahuli. Because that is the declaration or tamang type of declaration of your math. Okay? In terms of how you will declare math using the CMAT. Okay, yan. Ito yung tamang declaration. Gets niya, class? Regardless if it is number or not, it is what? These are the right, yon, argument that we can use. With the CMAT, okay? Include CMAT directives. Okay? So, naintindihan niyo yun. Okay? Next, function calls is yun nga. Okay? So, ito yung tama, no? Ay, ito. Diniscuss ko lang naman, inulit lang naman siya. No? So, function call is an expression of the same type as the function whose value corresponds to the return value. So, the return value is commonly passed to a suitable value. So, here, y is equals to pow, okay, or the power, then x is then 3.0. So, in the example, the function pow is first called. Yan, tama. Using the argument x and 3.0, ito yung argument, tama ba? And the result, the power x cubed is assigned to y. So, the the power raised to 3, ito yun eh, power raised to 3 is assigned to the y. Okay? So, ito yung tamang format ng power. Okay? Raised to 3. Okay? Then, to the, ilalagay siya sa y as the return or the function ko sa return value. Okay? Yan. Yan. I hope na-gets niya, no? Okay? Another, wait. Okay? So, also okay, ito, tama rin to. Kasi nga, ganun din yung format. Wala lang nga, hindi nga lang siya double. But definitely, tama rin yung kanyang arguments and the pattern, okay, with using the power. And of course, it is the y will be the one who will handle the output. Okay, now this is the error. Yan naman. Obviously, error siya kasi wala namang plus to the argument. And of course, binigay niya sa x, which is, hindi naman siya yung mag-handle nung, hindi siya yung variable na mag-handle nung output ni power raised to 3. So, mali na to, error na to. Okay? So, the compiler recognized that the number of arguments is incorrect. So, automatic yung class. If you are declaring a CMAT directive, nade-determine niya kung tama yung format mo when it comes to the math statement na needed mo. Okay? So, kanina, it is more on raised to power of 3. So, mali yung argument ng dalawa. Kasi, na-determine kagad ng CMAT directives. Okay? Ayan. So, another, ito naman, STD live, okay, library. Okay? Hindi, CST pala to, prototypes of SRAND, RAND, ito naman, ginagamit naman sa mga random. Okay? So, nandun. So, ano yung output nito? Random numbers to initialize the random numbers generated, please enter the integer value. 773 random numbers. Okay, yan. So, from the 77 value, ito yung mga lumalabas na value. Okay, for the random numbers. Ayan. Okay. So, these are the functions. Using directives, ito naman iba. Kanina si math, ito naman CST dilakit. Okay. So, maraming directives yan kasi pwede nyo gamitin. Okay? Depende yan sa function, ha? Hindi kayo basta-basta rin gumagamit ng directives kung hindi naman kailangan for the objective or functions of the system or the application. Okay? Unsigned. Yan, examples niya. Function without return value. So, ito, may return value. Kasi, ang return value niya is more on the, yung y. Okay, ito rin, may return value din to. In terms of the Z1, Z2, and Z3, which is na ibibigay niya yung value niya using the function. Here naman, wala. Okay. Without arguments. Okay. Ito, walang void yun. Ito naman ginagamit is void. Kanina, with arguments. Okay, na ginagamit. Ano yung arguments? More on defining the type, tama ba? The function type and the arguments. Ito naman wala. Okay, gagamitin natin is void. Type void. So, here. So, ito yung example niya. klase natin. Yan, void. So, ang ginagawa ni void is available for functions of this type which are also referred to as procedures yon. So, nangyayari, nagiging procedure siya sa isang application. Kaya plus napansin nyo, no, merong main at merong mga function void. Meaning, sila yung different functions within the applications na hinati-hati through modules. Ayan. Usage of SRAM and RAD. Saan na ginagamit yan? Can be found in both the CST, yun nga, sa CSTD lib and STD lib header. Okay? So, ito example nito. Yan. Okay. The IO stream and the header. Okay? So, pinagsama siya as iisang application. But definitely, you can what? Divide it. Okay, in terms of the main and in terms of the header. Okay, through functions. Ayan. Okay, using header files naman, header files are text to files containing declaration and macros. By using and sharp include directive, yan, puro directive to class. Kasi marami siyang mga pinaprovide na functions. Yan. Yan. Okay. So here, we use the brackets. Of course, yung ayan, sharp include. Header files, okay? Okay. So possible class, we can provide, hindi natin lalagay ng mga brackets. Okay, angle brackets because it is considered as what? As a header na. Or defining the header of that kind of application or system. Okay. Standard class definition. Okay, the IO stream, of course, very important. Yung pinaka-standard class is the IO stream. Okay, input and output stream directives. Ito na. So, header files of C++ standard library. Ito, ginagamit natin. We have the iOS. Okay. Then we have the, may mas ba ito? Ay, wala. Pero, ito pa rin siya. Stream. Ay, header ka to. Sorry, hindi to directive sa. It is more on the header that we can see it. So, sige, tingnan natin kung paano natin gagawin yan. Ayan yung limits.h. Ito yung header file. So, the C standard library, we have the assert.h, C-type, no, okay, float. Ayan. So, as a header. Ito yung mga walang angle brackets. You know, okay, so here, we have the sharp include IO stream and sharp include stream. Okay, as our directive. Header files in the programming C, yan, so math.h. Ito yung mga bago. Ito to. Yan. Dati, C math, ngayon, pwede ng math.h. So, pareho din pala. Okay, yung directives natin, ito, yung header natin and directives, pwede rin consider as our C library na pwede natin gamitin for our system. Yan. Here, sample program using class string. Okay, here. So, we have the class string. What is your name? Ayan. Nakita nyo? Defines for string. So, these are our int name. Okay, it defines the name. An empty line, then string with 40. Okay, and total is equals to hello. Prompt. Yung prompt, ano class inaano yan? Ano itsura niyan? Natin yung sample. Okay, hello, roses, etc. Try natin to. Ito na yung compiler nga natin. Dating sa using the string. Nakita niya, meron siyang library na string. Okay. As a function, so defining the function. Let's see. Try ng online. Online. C++. Compiler. Ayan. Di ba may sarili siyang directive? Then, we have this. So here, starting from what is your name? So, lagay din tayo ng, ayun, meron pala ito, sharp include string. Wait. Ito, ilalagay natin sa labas. Control X. Ito natin lalagay sa ayos na control B. Yan. Then here, ito, mawala ito. So, then delete it. Yan. Ano, isa pa. Yan. Okay. Int name, then string. So, ito yung mga comment request for input the name in one line, concatenate. Pag sinabi concatenate, plus pinagsasama lang yan. Hindi siya i-ada. Yung string, kapag may plus, isa lang ibig sabihin yan. Pagsasamahin lang siya. Ang tawag doon, concatenate. Pero pag number naman, ang may plus, meaning i-add o kukunin yung isa. Okay? So, sige, ano natin? May error kaya to? O may error to? Okay, try natin. Ay, wala. Yan na. So, prompt is providing the prompt or the highlights. Okay, what is your name? Sabihin ko, Jensen. Yan. Enter. Yan. Hello, Jensen. Your name is 6 characters long. So, ang ginagawa ng program na to is to add, okay, the length. Kung ilan or the characters, binibilang yon, not add. Binibilang niya yung characters or limit ng iyong pangalan. Okay? So, ano yon? Define for string prompt. Ito yung prompt. Yung type mo. Name, okay? Then line 40. String with 40. Okay? Total is equals to hello. Okay? And cout is the prompt. Get line, may get line dito, no? Get line, meaning, ito yung pag nag-enter ka ng character, okay, i-output din niya. Okay? Ito din niya as an output. Kaya, di ba, hello, Jensen. Okay? Well, pwedeng gamitin natin input the name in one line, then total plus name, okay, which is adding or assign concatenate to the assigned string, and add, kumbaga, i-bilangin. When it comes to counting, bilangin the characters, which is 6, because of the Jensen. Okay, ulitin natin. Sample. Enter character, Mario. Okay, enter. Diba? So, yun. Ito yung ginagawa. Using the include string function or directive. Okay. Next. Na. I hope naintindihan niyo siya. Okay. Using header, yan. Ano ba tayo? Ay, ito yung kanina. Yan. So, next nyo na. Okay, so, kung gusto nyo malaman yung mga functions niya, ito yun. Ito yung kanyang comment for that. Request input the name in one line. Get line. Okay. Then, of course, creating an object. Being S, for example, is I am a string. Yung tinatawag na instance. Okay, an object is a variable of a class type or instance na tinatawag. When an object is created, memory is allocated to the data members and initialized with suitable values. Okay, so you provide a suitable values like this. String S, there's a value ni string S. So here, I am a string. Okay. Then we have the calling method. Okay, S length. This is the object method. Okay, all the methods defined as public within the corresponding class can be called for an object. Okay, so yan. Pwedeng ito yung gamitin natin. S.length in terms of defining our function or instance. Okay, classes and global functions. So example, in terms of the global function is get line, scene, and then S. Cin is more on the input. Okay, and what is the input? The value of S. Okay, so here is an example. Okay, listing for exercise. Ayun kanina yung sa SRAM. Okay, create na tayo ng program. Okay, create a program to calculate the square roots of the numbers. Okay, okay, tapos na pala. So, yun lang, no? Okay. So, ganito na lang na class. Tapos ang chapter 3. Chapter 4 na pala tayo. Input and output streams. Okay, then, no, it's about 3:31. Okay. C in, C out, C air, C load. Okay, sige. So, yun lang naman class in terms of the function. So, possible class ang inyong magiging midterm for this is, of course, the programming. Of course. Focus lang tayo muna sa C in and C out and paggamit ng mga directives. Okay, so ako na lang po provide siguro ng code for the directives, with the directives. Then, you will input a comment. Yon, kung ano yung pagkakabasa nyo dun sa code na yun. Okay, so yun, babalikan ko. Meron ng provided na code, but definitely you have to give a comment for that. Okay, para matuto rin kayo magbasa ng code mismo. Okay, so, is there any question? So, madali lang naman to class. Kasi ano lang naman to class yung compiler, ay yung, sorry, yung function is more on if it depends on the system na ginagawa nyo. Okay? Kung ano man yung base example, math. Okay? Kasi dun sa math library, provided na yung compute ng power. Okay? So, power R is to 3. Okay? So, automatic yon. Kasi there's a directive for that in terms of computing the power. Basta alam niyo yung arguments na ilalagay. Okay? So, is there any question pa po? So, hindi na tayo magpapa-activity ngayon, class, para ma-discuss lang natin yung chapter 3. Para next meeting, kasabay-sabay ko na yan, 4, 5, iko-combine ko na lang yan para madali rin tayo matapos. 4, 5, 6, 7, combine na yan for one example lang. Para mapagsama-sama na lang natin siya. Kailan po yung exam? Yun nga, possible next week, sa Monday. Okay, ang Monday natin class, sige, Monday is your examination day. Okay, so may yes, sabi ko naman yung sa GC niyo kung paano yung process. Online po yung outcome, ma'am. Ano ba gusto niyo, online or F2F? Online po ba, F2F? Hello? Uy,
Monday
hello?
na po yung
Anong gusto niyo, F2F? Ano na, yes, Kate? Online po, ma'am, we. O, sino online? Sino gusto ng online? Sige nga, tingnan ko yung mga online. Patingin nga. Tingnan natin yung mga online. Sino kaya online? O, karamihan. Wow, online. Oh, teka. Majority ba? Yun o. Oo. Hindi. Ilan lang yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, mga online. Ba't kaya online gusto nito? Oh, majority ayaw.
wala pong
Ah, wala pang wala pong pambaon. We,
jeep po, ma'am, jeep.
jeep kasi nga yung hindi kasama ba Malabon na botas for that? Wala
Nationwide.
pa. Oo nga, nationwide pero butang po po. O sige, hindi antabay na lang tayo class ano ba? Pero definitely papasok pa rin tayo ng Monday. Regardless kung mag-exam tayo or hindi. Nationwide po, ma'am. Ay, nationwide. Kaya lang, nag-declare na ba sa Malabon na walang pasok? Depende yan sa lugar eh. Alam ko depende sa lugar yan eh. Sa Nabotas naman, Ay, nationwide po. O talaga naman, talagang kayo na nag-declare, no? Nag-declare na kayo. Kayo nag-declare. Wala pa naman po, ma'am, pero most ensure hindi. Eh, paano kapag meron? Hindi naman kasama yung nabota sa Malabon. Oh, dati po meron sa Malabon, ma'am. Dati yun. Sama po ako sa strike. Ayun. Ay, naku, sorry, sorry. Sabi, sino yun? Kasama ka sa strike? Sino yun? Ano tuloy ako, napatawa tuloy ako eh. Ano kasama ka sa strike? Sino yun? So, wait, yun na.
Ma'am,
Nationwide po, kapitbahay po ng jeepney driver. Ayun, Jason. Yes, Jason, yeah. Yes, Jason. Ano yan? Ba't kayo tumataas kamay? Why? Kasama po ako sa strike. Ito, sino to? Natawa tuloy ako rito sa kasama ako sa strike. Bakit kasama ka sa strike? Low strike sa laro. Saway kayo. Ayo talaga. Tito ko po, jeep. Anong tito ko,
ma'am,
jeep? Oh, ano nga, hindi ko marinig. Hello?
ma'am.
Ano? Ah?
May, ano ma'am, si ang ito ma'am eh.
Oh, ano
Si
nga?
David po daw ma'am, hindi makakapasok.
Sige, ganito na lang. Makibalita muna tayo. Hindi,
Ano
sige.
ma'am,
Kung
magkakit ng
hindi,
sakit po si
ganito na
David.
lang, class. Kung hindi kayo makakapasok sa F2F, sige, GG classroom ko na lang. Okay. Okay? So, ako kasi, definitely papasok ako. Kung kayo, hindi kayo makakapasok, sige, usap na lang tayo sa Google Meet next meeting and sabihan ko na lang kayo ng instructions for the midterm exam. Wala naman ako magagawa kung hindi kayo makakapasok kasi nga, transport strike sa inyo. Sige, okay yun. Justin, yes, Justin? Yes? Ano yun, Justin? May tinataas ka ng kamay, Justin? Ano na? Hello? Okay na tayo? May question pa ba? Sige, i-ano na lang natin to. Groupings po yung midterm, hindi. Ayaw. Hindi kanya-kanya. Okay? Ay, midterm exam na nga eh. Dagdag grade ba, ma'am, pag F to F? Hindi. Hindi, sige. Online na lang. O, sige.
Thank you, ma'am.
I-online na lang natin. Yes, online na lang natin. O, sige. So, meaning, sa Monday, hindi kayo makakapasok. Okay lang, sige. Ako na lang papasok. Oo. Kayo, sige, dyan lang sa bahay niyo. Okay, so bigay ko na lang yung exam sa Monday na lang. May tanong pa po ba? May tanong pa po.
Ma'am,
Huwag kayong
ano?
sumali sa strike,
Sa
ha?
Angelo po, ma'am, meron.
Ma'am, ano po ulit yung exam sa
Ayun.
Monday?
Ang exam
Ano
natin,
po klase exam?
focus tayo sa C-in at C-out. Yan lang.
Okay.
Okay, doon na-discuss ko yung function. Ano lang naman yan, directives lang naman yan eh. Ako rin magpo-provide. Okay. So, gagawin nyo lang siguro kung may function man, more on, iraran nyo na lang. May available ng codes for that. Ano talaga naman, no? Tontuwa, oh. Ano na? Okay na? May tanong pa ba? May tanong pa po ba? Ma'am, basic lang daw po yan, sabi niya. Okay, sige. Basic pala, ah.
Wala.
Okay. Asa daw po si J-Bot? Ano yon? Anong question? Yes, anong question? O, ba't
Ma'am
umiiyak
Cleo
si
po
John?
pangalan niya, ma'am Cleo.
Sige.
Cleo
Ayun
po.
na yun. Leo? Leo?
Hello po.
Yes, hello. Yes.
Hello po, ma'am.
Yes. Ay, hindi maintindihan. Ano na, sige na nga, wala na, na tayo eh. Mga trip-trip na lang eh, no. Basta prepare kayo ng exam next week, ha? Okay na.
Thank you ma'am.
Thank you rin po. Bye-bye po. Sige po. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Thank you rin po. Bye-bye
Thank you
po.
po, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ah,